Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint tree using few basic colors, which are black, burnt ochre, cerulean blue, permanent yellow, and white. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so I will be guiding you through every step of the process. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that you have painting colors ready. You will also need a flat paint brush for large areas and a smaller round brush for details. So after all is prepared, let's sketch the basic shape of the tree. Take a bite of black paint and mix with a burnt ochre to create a dark brown color. Use your medium size filbert brush to draw the trunk and main branches. Start with the trunk in the middle of the canvas and work your way up, adding branches that reach out in different directions of your tree. So don't worry about making it very perfect. Trees are naturally irregular. I use filbert brush for painting trunk and main branches, then round brush for some smaller detailed tree branches. Use your round brush to add a bit of white to the brown mixture and lightly paint the opposite side of the trunk and branches to create highlights. Now pick your flat paint brush. It is the time to add the leaves of the tree. Mix a little bit of cerulean blue and permanent yellow to create a vibrant green color. Adjust the mixing by adding little black, depending on your preference to create a dark green color. Now using this brush, gently dab the green paint onto the branches, creating clusters of leaves. Remember not to cover the entire branches, make sure to leave some gaps for a more natural look. Also, don't forget to not use much pressure when doing this on your canvas. To give the leaves more depth, we will add highlights on it. So again, mix a bit of cerulean blue and permanent yellow to create some second layer of leaves. Use this to paint the parts of the leaves where the lights would naturally hit on it. Then pick some yellow paint on your brush and dab it into the second layer of painted leaves just to create highlights. Doing this will make your tree look more realistic and naturally. So now it's the time to add some final touches on our painting. If you want, you can add some glass or few detail of the ground just beneath the tree using some colors we have been used previously. Whoa! Yes! And there you have it, a beautiful tree painting using just 5 basic colors. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and shades. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more painting tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. My name is JADEN Art.